How to track your order in real time on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're waiting for your food and wondering where it is, well, in this video I'll show you exactly how to track your Uber Eats order in real time. So you will always know when to expect the delicious delivery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the order tab, which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the orders tab. Now this is where you will see all your current and past orders. So here just tap on current active order to view all the details, and you'll see a live status update like preparing your order. Your courier is picking it up on the way, and here right below the status there is a live map showing your courier location. So here you can literally watch them move toward your address in real time. Here, if you like, you can even pinch to zoom in or out on the map for a better view. And here, if you need to reach out, you can just tap the contact or message button to talk directly to your courier, which is great for clarifying direction or the gate codes. And that's how you can track your orders in real time on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.